In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your photo into cute stickers with Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a regular photo and guide Gemini to turn it into a polished, kawaii-style sticker that's bright, bold, and super adorable. First, open your Gemini account. Head to the Gemini website or app and sign in so you're on the main workspace. If it's your first time, set up your account and make sure you're using a modern browser for the smoothest experience. Now upload your image. Click the plus icon, then locate your image on your device and select it. A clear, well-lit photo works best. Aim for a shot where the person's face is front-facing or three-quarters to help Gemini capture the expression. If you have multiple versions, choose the one with the cleanest background and sharpest details. Next, click Tools. This opens the panel with creative options. From there, click Create Image. You're telling Gemini you want a generated image based on your uploaded photo and a prompt, which is the set of instructions you'll provide in the next step. Now enter prompts. Your prompt is how you control the style and details of the sticker. You can copy this prompt from the description below. Transform this uploaded photo into a cute kawaii-style sticker with the person happy, featuring bold, clean outlines, vibrant colors, exaggerated cute proportions with big expressive eyes, cartoon-like expression or pose, simple cel shading for depth, and a plain white background. This wording sets the tone, the coloring, the proportions, and the background, which is perfect for sticker cuts. If you want a slightly different vibe later, you can swap happy for excited, winking, or peace sign pose, but start with this exact prompt for consistent results. Then wait patiently until it generates your results. Depending on your connection and server load, this can take a moment. Avoid switching tabs or stacking extra requests while it's working. You'll see the image appear once Gemini finishes processing your photo with the prompt instructions. If the first render looks close but not perfect, keep the same steps and refine your wording slightly, like emphasizing clean white background or thicker outlines. If colors feel muted, add high saturation in the same prompt field. And if the face looks off, try a higher resolution photo of the same subject and run the same prompt again. That's it. Open Gemini, upload your image with the plus icon, click Tools, choose Create Image, paste the prompt, and let it generate. You're now ready to turn your favorite photos into cute, sticker-ready art with Gemini AI.